This is 6 passenger gearless elevated traction machine. Now we will be explaining how to connect with the panel. This is Monarch panel. Okay, this is the brake. Okay, and this is the connection for the machine. Okay, this is the brake rectifier, and this is the RYB or UVW. Okay, please connect. Please open this and connect. This is the encoder. This we are opening the encoder plate. Make sure after we make it, just press. Connection should be proper. This is 24-pole machine. This is around 6 contactor on the brake, but this is the sticker mentioned 2 independent B1 B2 110 voltage. This wire is coming from the panel. Okay, B1 B2. To connect on that, okay. Now this U1 V1 W1 is wire connected, then brake wire connected with the panel. Switch on the fan. Okay. Now we are configuring the panel with the machine. This is just a brief video for the connection. Normally connection is being done for the brakes. There's total 3 connections. 1 connection, 2, and the encoder wire. That's it. Okay. The motor has been tuned and will be. Around for 3-4 seconds, one voice will come. Once it will start, and it will start rotating. Yeah. Now it is fine. The motor is rotating. The connection is complete. Okay. This is after making. Then we have to put the brake like this, and now then we have to cover this, and last make sure the encoder should be also covered. Okay. Yeah. This is the brief video. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation. Thank you.